this is Hassan. Greeting to everyone from UMT Bearing company. I always told you guys UMT Bearing is a high quality bearing. Is it true? So now I go to inside the factory and randomly take a bearing and test it. So let's go. This is the finishing part 6305. So just randomly chose one. I chose this one 6305. I take this bearing to metrology center for check the quality. Let's check 6305 36 37 B3 its low digit is 39, but right now it's 35 36 37, so it means it's also better than Z3B3. This is the machine for check the accuracy and precision. Check direct in 1. So if you are really looking for high quality deep groove ball bearing, then UMT Bearing company always with you. Our factory located in Shandong, Linqing, Yandian. So for high quality bearing, don't forget to contract with UMT Bearing company.